Is it okay if I'm eating pork? Well, if you're not a Muslim, then it's okay. If you are, go back to your prophet. My beloveds, Christianity doesn't have this is good and this is bad, this is okay and this is not okay. Everything is good, because everything came from the good God, including the pig. Who created the pig? God. Well, this good God, how can he create something that is not good? Impossible. The Jewish people got it wrong, and they taught it wrongly to Muhammad. That's the truth. So the truth is painful, but that's the truth.